Good morning, children. We saw the lesson means of transport, isn't it? So, there are three types of transportation. One is land transport, water transport, air transport. Land transport is nothing but vehicles that run on the land is known as land transport. Water transport is nothing but vehicles that run on the water is known as water transport, isn't it? Then vehicles that fly on the air is known as air transport. So, for examples, the car, bus, it might run on the land, isn't it? So they are known as land transport. Ship, submarine. So these might run on the move on the water, isn't it? So they are known as water transport. For example, if you take a aeroplane, helicopter, it might fly on the air, isn't it? So they are known as air transport. We have learned it, isn't it? Have you written your one verse? I hope you have written it. Okay. Now we move on to the question answer means of transport. Okay. So we move on to the question answer. Name any transport used within the city. So what are the transportation? Transport means it can be taken from one place to another. Okay. So move from one place to another. So what are the transportation used within the city? You might see the bicycle, car, scooter, bus, isn't it? So here I wrote bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. Then cars, kudrai vandi, okay, mm, carts drawn by bulls. Bulls means kalemadu, okay, or horses, 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 scooter, car, bike, etc. Okay, so name any, NAME name, ANYNE, TRANS, TRANSPORT, transport, USED used, WITH with IN in the city. Bicycle, 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 CARTS, cars, DRAWN, drawn by carts drawn by bulls or horses, 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 scooter, 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 car, etc. Name the different modes of transport. So the different modes of transport is land transport, water transport and air transport. They name the DIFFERENT different MODES modes of transport. LAND land, TRANS TRANSPORT transport, WATER water transport and air transport. Okay. Then the third question is what do we mean by land transport? What do we mean by land transport? Vehicles that run on land is known as land transport. VEHICLES. Vehicles that run on land is known as land transport. Okay. Then fourth one is why do we travel by aeroplanes to far off places? So why do we travel by aeroplane to far off places? Because it takes only short time to travel. Okay, aeroplanes can take us very far in a very short time. Okay, aeroplanes, aeroplanes, can, take us, very, far, in a very short time, so that we travel, travel by aeroplanes, aeroplanes to far off places. So why do we travel by aeroplanes to far off places? Aeroplanes can take us very far in a very little short time, so that we travel by aeroplane to far off places. The first question is name any transport transport used within the city. So bicycle, carts drawn by bulls or by horses, scooter, car, etc. Name the different modes of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. What do you mean by land transport? Vehicles that run on land are known as land transport. What do Why do we travel by aeroplanes to far off places? Aeroplanes can take us very far in a very short time, so that we travel by aeroplane to far off places. So, children, I hope you understand this. Try to write in your classwork note, okay, and read it. Thank you, children.